Tara na, balikan natin yung mga nakuha naming mga chanterelle mushrooms. Bali patapos na po yung season nito, pero sa palagay ko meron pang mga tumutubo kaya baka meron pa tayong makuha. There you go. There's one more here. Oh, at ayun nga, meron pang mga tumutubo. Yeah, that's still one more chanterelle there. Siyempre, kukunin natin to.
Another kid.
Correct for Ethan.
That's satisfying. Oh my god.
Okay.
Can I get it?
Yeah. Let me see. Oh, let me see. Show it, Tan.
What?
Oh,
Show
show it here, Tan, in the camera.
You show it to Daddy first.
Oh, nice.
You go. Okay, Ate will put it in Daddy's
So,
box.
kukunin lang din natin to. Oh, ba. There we go. Ayan po siya yung itsura niya. Golden chanterelle. So, I was really hoping na makahanap pa tayo ng mas marami, but unfortunately no, wala na. Kaunti na lang. So, may mga rusula at ibang klase ng agaric. Ayan. It's a rusula mushroom. Ito nung mushroom na to, pag mapait, hindi siya edible. Pag hindi mapait, pwede siyang kainin. And katabi niya lang, there's another agaric species. So, agaricus. Dito, and I found another one. Yeah. Come here, boy. This is chanterelle too. Yeah. There's a chanterelle boy, eh?
Yeah, I want to get it.
Okay. Get it.
Pretty.
Show it to them. Oh. Let me see. Show it in the camera.
I do it here, far away.
Yeah, nice, eh?
Yeah.
Let me see. Show it to them. There you go. That's a chanterelle.
I put it in your bud.
Okay.
I kill the spider. Kill the spider from
Either?
Yeah.
Bali, ang ginagawa namin, walking lang. Kasama na rin yung exercise namin. At yung mga bata, nag-enjoy. Kung may makita kaming edible na mushrooms, hindi kukunin namin. That's all. What?
My bubbles are so
Namin kita sa Sophia. Look at here.
Oh my mom. Don't run.
Don't run.
That's my
There's a
child.
new one.
That's my next child
Yeah.
because
What?
this is my place here. Because I found the mushroom long time ago. So these are my puppets.
Really?
Oh, this
Oh.
one is bigger. We should get
Yeah.
it. Should we get it?
Oh.
I got one.
Let me see, Tan. Let me see.
Mushrooms, but they were too old. I think they're younger fish, but they need them to be like the mother.
Good to walk there, and then they have mosquitoes.
Because of the rain, the wind.